Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the Rough Country tailgate table on my 2025 Wrangler. It's really easy. You just pop off this panel, drill 4 holes, put the supplied spacers on with the supplied hardware, and then you got yourself a nice little tailgate table. This is the manual from Rough Country. The table costs about $100. Should be a super easy install. It should be a quick video. I did have plans to do amber fog lights in this video too, but the fog lights I got from Raxium, they're super awesome fog lights, and they're for 2007 to 2026 Wranglers, everything except for the Sport S. So unfortunately, I had taken the fog lights out once you could put the new ones in, and then found out they don't fit. So that'll have to come in a future video. Either I'll get an aftermarket bumper or I'll figure out a way to make them work with the stock bumper. All right, tools you're gonna need for this job. Again, this isn't a how-to, but I figured I'd just let you know. 1/2-inch drill bit. I went with a woodworking bit because it just worked out the best. 10mm wrench, trim panel tool, 5/32 Allen key. You know, drills to make it easier. Drill to make, you know, to drill the holes. But this is what it looks like now. I'm gonna put you on a pedestal or on a tripod or something. Probably time lapse through me replacing or installing the table, and I'll talk to you guys when it's all done. Don't do what I just did and drop a clip inside the door. That's probably gonna rattle forever. It's gonna rattle forever. All right, so she's all installed now, and if you saw by any, if I had put it in a time lapse, it's a little, I struggled a little bit, but it's all installed now. I ended up messing up one of the holes. I just wasn't holding the drill tight enough, and it made it a little jagged, but you can't even tell because you can't see it. Then I had a real hard time getting this little bushing back in, and then the bolt through. My bracket, or my table, is actually bent. These two pieces right there are spread apart a little bit. Try to bend them back in place, but there she is. If it'll focus. I think it turned out pretty okay. I might upgrade to a nicer one in the future, but we'll see how this one works for the time being. It doesn't latch super well either. That's another problem I had, is this latch right here. It was just bent, so you couldn't actually undo it. Fixed it now, but now it's just super tight. So we'll see how it does. But for $100, I mean, you can't beat it. You can't beat the price. It's got a spot there where you could hook someone, you know, with molly to it, or, you know, zip tie, whatever. Like I said, these clamps are super tight for some reason, but it looks pretty okay to me, and we'll see how it does on the next camping trip. There's one coming in a few weeks. But again, thanks for watching. If you want to see any more content, I have one video that's coming soon in February for more of an off-road trail again, kind of like the first video this month. And then eventually the headlight or the fog lights will be installed, but I have to figure out all that. I have to get a new bumper for that. So that's it for right now. Thanks for watching. The best way to support the channel is to subscribe and just watch the video. But we'll see you next time.